नमस्कार दोस्तों। क्या आपके ऊपर मल्टीपल लोन्स हो गए हैं? क्या रिकवरी एजेंट आपको दिन में बार बार कॉल्स कर रहे हैं? क्या आपकी फैमिली को डरा रहे हैं? क्या आपको बार बार लीगल नोटिस आ रहे हैं? तो नीचे दिए गए नंबर पर आप हमसे संपर्क करें। मैं और हमारी टीम आपका पूरा सहयोग करेगी इस स्टेप से बाहर निकलने में। धन्यवाद दोस्तों।
You pay this meager amount of 10,000, I will be able to help you out. Because the principal outstanding itself is
No,
7 lakh.
currently I cannot pay because I
Okay.
don't have funds.
Fine, fine. When I'm trying to help you out and trying to
No,
make
you
you
are
understand
unable
as
to
to
help
what
me. You cannot help me,
you are
sir.
very ignorant on it and you're talking as
You
that
cannot
you're
help me,
trying to
sir.
do a favor.
You are indirectly justifying your salary. You don't tell me that you are helping
No,
a
no,
customer.
no. Hey, listen to me
Give me
first.
your
No,
email ID.
I'm not even orally saying anything
Give
to
me
you.
your
I'm not
email
even
ID, bhaiya.
committing
Give me
anything
your email
oral.
ID.
Sir, listen. I'm not
No,
even,
give me your
listen to
email
me,
ID.
no.
Who the hell are you to tell me if the amount has not been paid? I have no relation with you individually. I have relations with DMI Finance.
Now I give my mail
You are an
ID.
anonymous caller.
No,
You are
I
an
give you my
anonymous
mail
third-party
ID. No,
telecaller. That's what you are.
listen. You're talking too much now. Now that
Yes,
I
I will talk
established
too
my
much.
identity,
Yes, I will
you
talk
be
too much.
no, no, no,
What you can do,
no,
you
no, no.
cannot do
You're talking.
nothing. Now I will talk too much.
I will send a mail from my mail ID retrieving all your
Arey,
documents.
ghanta you will send the
Like,
email.
use
I can
language
abuse you
nicely.
assuming that you are a
This call
scammer.
is recorded, Mr. Akbar. This call is
I can
recorded.
abuse
This
you
call is
assuming that
recorded.
you are a scammer because you are unable to give me your email ID. Open challenge.
Okay, open challenge to you as well. Same here.
Open challenge for next 6 months. If you have any guts, recover a single penny in this account for next 6 months.
It
Now I
shows
will not
your
pay
character.
intentionally
It
for
shows
next
your
6 months.
character.
Completely
I
speaking
will
anonymously
also
to the
not bend
customer.
down to
If
your
you speak
knees.
anonymously to the
Whereas,
customer will abuse you. Customer will abuse you and they will assume that you are a scammer because
oh,
you
is
are
it?
unable to give your identity.
Okay.
You are unable to disclose your identity.
Fine.
दोस्तों, बाप ऑफ रिकवरी को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, घंटे के बटन को ज़रूर दबाएं और कमेंट में ज़रूर लिखें रिकवरी एजेंट की बजाओ।
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Sir, this is Raghavan here from BMI Finance. I've been interacting with you on WhatsApp.
Sorry, where are you calling?
I'm Raghavan here from DMI Finance. In
Like,
fact, I've been
what is the name
chatting
of
with you
customer?
on
Where are
WhatsApp
you calling?
from DMI Finance, sir.
What is the customer name?
Akbar Ali.
What happened?
This is 9098, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the same number.
Yeah, what happened? Tell me.
This is regarding your loan that you have availed in DMI Finance.
Okay.
So I've been interacting with you on WhatsApp because you have replied back saying that you had some financial fraud which has happened on your account and all that you had told me.
Mm-hmm.
I replied back also on that, the same thing.
Okay.
Now, the thing is, I understand your situation. That's the reason I'm trying to see as to how I can help you out. The
Mm-hmm.
only thing here is to help you out, come out of this situation or whatever. So, currently your account is in a very critical stage. That's the reason I'm repeatedly messaging you, and now that I thought I should talk to you once before I take a call as to what needs to be done next. So, my thing is, if you want me to help, my thing is if you can pay 10,000, not even the EMI amount, just pay 10,000 today. Then as and when you can arrange for the money in the next 1 or 2 months, I will give you the best possible settlement amount and we can close it because I can get an approval for up to 75% waiver on the total outstanding.
Mm.
So you'll have to tell me as to how to go about it.
Currently, I don't have any single penny available.
Sorry?
I don't have any single penny available as of now to pay you guys.
Hey sir, now that there is,
It will
I
take more
understand
1
whatever
month
you.
or maybe, I guess, 2 months to arrange the funds and I'll go for a settlement.
Nay, the settlement thing is now there is an offer going on. You're eligible for certain amount. That's the reason I'm saying you have to hold back for you to be eligible for that amount. You pay this meager amount of 10,000. I will be able to help you out because the principal outstanding itself is
No,
7 lakh.
currently I cannot pay because
Okay.
I don't have funds.
Sir, you cannot be so blunt, no, sir. I am requesting you to only trying to help you out. You need to understand that.
How it's going to help you if I give you a wrong commitment?
Sorry? It will not help me. I am only requesting you. See, it is not my prerogative to
Yeah, listen to me.
request
If
you.
I give you a wrong commitment, okay, I'll arrange 10,000, I'll pay till end of the day or maybe tomorrow. And eventually I'll be unable to pay that 10,000 rupees. So how it is going to help you if I'll give you a wrong
It will
commitment?
not help me. It will not help me, sir. I am only asking you.
Arey yaar, you
arrange
understand
for
my
10,000.
sentence, sir. You understand my sentence. I'm
I
not telling in
understood.
that way
I
it
do
will help
understand
you.
English, sir. That's the reason
I'm not
talking to
telling you in
English
that
only,
way,
sir.
in that sense that it will help you. I'm not asking you that you are knee down in front of me for the payment. It's not like that. If I don't have the payment, I will say no. It's not about blunt or saying it indirectly, whatever you mean.
You are not understanding my point, sir. Try and arrange is what I am trying to tell you, sir. I am not saying you.
Irony
I'm not
is,
forcing you also.
irony is my account is not in a critical condition. You are in a critical condition because of this month end.
So you're saying it is critical just because by collecting a 10,000
Arey bhaiya,
be
I am telling you, I don't
Sir,
have any single
don't-
penny available
don't say
right now.
something- Sir, don't
I
put
am
words into
telling
my
you,
mouth, sir.
I am telling you, I have no single penny
Sir,
available.
you think your account, you're not paid for the last 7-8 months, and you think your account will be just lying like that, and you will be accepting
So
everything.
you
whatever
follow
say,
your
right?
further process now. Whatever account compliance process you have in your bank, follow your further process.
Fine, sir, fine. When I'm trying to help you out and trying to
No,
make
you are
understand
unable
as
to help
what
me.
are-
You cannot help me,
You are
sir.
very ignorant on it, and you're talking as
You
that
cannot
you're
help me,
trying to
sir.
do a favor.
You are indirectly justifying your salary. You don't tell me that you are helping a
No.
customer. You are asking me to pay 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees. Suppose I'll pay 10,000 rupees. My account delinquency will get regularized. I will have to wait more 4 to 5 months to go for a
I can
settlement.
only hold your account, sir. I can
Arey
hold
yaar,
your
shut up
account.
yaar. You shut up.
Sir, don't use this language.
You
I am
provide
talking
me
to
an
you very
email. You
politely.
provide me
I
an
am talking
email.
to
You
very politely.
write on email that pay 10,000 rupees and your account will not get regularized. The DPD will not
No.
get
I
zero.
never said it is regularized. I am only trying to
No, you
only
provide me
help
an
you
email
out,
that
hold
DPD
your
will not get
account.
zero.
I am only.
You
Sorry?
provide me an email that DPD will not get zero after paying 10,000 rupees.
You are out of DPD, sir. Your account is written off. Please understand.
My account will
Your
get
account is
take off
written
from the return off stage if I pay 10,000
Right?
rupees.
Why, sir? Why, sir?
Why? It's a banking
sir?
compliance. The account will get normalized.
Why will it get normalized when you're not paid for last
Ah,
one
then
year?
give it to me on email, na? Then give it to me on email.
Sir, please
Give it to
be
me on email,
practical
na?
in
If
what you're
you are
talking,
speaking
sir.
so much of truth,
No.
then give it to me on email.
No,
Why you are
listen.
afraid to give it to the customer on email? Whatever you are
Sorry?
stating over the phone, give the same thing on email itself in written.
Sir, no. Listen.
Why you are
understanding-
unable to give it to on email?
No, why should I give it to you in writing?
Yeah,
or
why?
tell you
How
saying
will
that I'm not,
how will I trust you?
Orally also I'm not saying. Orally
How
also
will I
I'm not
trust
saying
you?
you're a-
How will I
Sir, you
trust
don't
you?
trust me, sir. Don't trust me. I'm not
Why
asking
should
you
I
to trust.
why should I go with anybody whom I'm not trusting?
No. Who's asking you to trust? I'm not asking
No,
you
you
to
tell
trust.
me your email ID.
Did I?
You are
No,
from which
listen,
bank?
Listen.
You are from which
You're
bank?
only, no. You're only,
You are from which
only
bank?
ranting. You're only ranting now.
You are unable to identify yourself. You're speaking over the phone to the customer anonymously. And you are telling me, I'm telling you orally. I'm telling you orally.
You allow me to
This
talk,
call,
sir. You allow me-
whatever commitment you give to
me
the
to talk
customer
now.
over
Only
the
you are
phone,
ranting from your
that's
end.
all bullshit. Whatever commitment you give customer over the phone, that's a complete
Sir,
bullshit.
listen,
Your company
I am
will
not
say
committing anything
your
orally
company
as
will say
well.
this number and this
You
person
are
who
not
is
even
speaking
listening
to
to
you
me.
over the
You're
phone
not
that
even
does not belong
listening
to
to
us.
me.
That is what your company
You're
has
not
to say if
listening to
anything
me.
happens near
You're only
future.
ranting. You're only
You
ranting.
send it to
You're
me
not
on
even
email.
listening
You
to
send
me.
it to me on email. Or
Listen,
give it to you,
listen,
or
I
give
am
me your
not-
email, I'll send it to you.
Hey, listen to me
Give
first.
me your
no.
email ID.
I'm not even orally saying anything
Give
to
me
you.
your
I'm
email
not
ID,
even
bhaiya.
committing
Give me
anything
your email
oral.
ID.
Sir, listen. I'm not
No,
even.
give me your
listen
email
to me,
ID.
No. Have the patience to listen to me.
Give
no.
me your email ID. I have full of patience.
Sir,
I have no
you don't
issues with
pay
you.
at all, sir.
You
You
are
don't-
unable to give me your email ID. I have asked you n number of times. Give me your email ID.
Sir, you're only ranting, Mr.
You are a
Akbar.
third
You're only
party or you are a
ranting, sir.
banker? You tell me right now.
Sir, I'm third party or a banker. All that doesn't fine. Listen to
No,
me.
no,
If
why
you
it
want
does
your
not
right
fine?
to
Why
live-
it does not fine? I should know
No,
whom I'm
if you-
speaking to.
Sir, listen, if
Being
you're
a
not
customer,
ready
it is my
to,
fundamental right to know whom I'm speaking to.
sir, your fundamental right, all that, then you should have ensured that you pay the money as and when it was to be paid. You're not
If
paid
I
and
am
you're
not
talking
paid, then
so
your
much.
bank has the compliances to follow. Who the hell are you to tell me if the amount has not been paid? I have no relation with you individually. I have relation with DMI Finance.
Sir, DMI Finance, I represent DMI Finance.
Yeah,
That's the
you are
reason I have the
representing DMI
right to
Finance.
talk.
How you are representing DMI Finance? Are you in-house or you are some third party? Tell me, na.
Sir, listen.
You are unable to
If you
establish a transparency with the customer and you are demanding such things. How can I trust you?
Did I demand anything?
Whatever
Did
it
I
would
tell you
be,
anything?
you
I
have
didn't
no
demand
reasons to
anything.
tell me over the phone that if I have not paid the EMI, whatever it would
only
be.
spoke to you.
You
I
are
only
you
spoke
are
to you.
nobody to tell me about my obligation if it is paid or unpaid. You are nobody to tell me about my obligations.
No, I have the right.
What
That's the
right?
reason
From
I'm
where you
asking
got that right? Tell me na. If you are an authorized third party or you are a banker, tell me that how you got that right.
Now I give my mail
You are
ID.
an anonymous caller.
No,
You are
I
an
give you my
anonymous
mail
third party
ID.
telecaller. That's what you are.
Listen, you're talking too much now. Now that
Yes, I will talk
established
too
my
much.
identity.
Yes, I will talk too much.
No.
What you can do, you cannot do
you're
nothing. I will talk too much. Give me your email ID.
See, listen. If I give the mail ID now,
Give me your
will you
email
be
ID.
able to make the payment now? Will you make the payment now? I'll
You
establish
give me
my
your email
identity. Will
ID.
you make
Don't
the
put a
payment?
condition. If you will give your email ID, then you will make the payment or not.
Single penny.
Email ID is to
No,
prove
you
you
don't
are
have
right
a
person
single
or you are a
penny.
wrong person. Email ID is to prove yourself.
Listen.
You are proving your identity to the customer with that email ID. Don't put condition providing your email ID to the customer.
Don't dictate terms. Don't dictate terms as to.
Give me your email ID. You are barking so much, but you have
I will not give you, sir.
not given your email ID
I
yet.
will not give you. Now that you're talking so much,
Then you are a third party. You are a third party agency owner. You are a third party agency guy.
You don't decide for me as to what I am.
You are a
What
third
I
party.
am.
That's what you are.
What third party?
Third party people hide their identity. You are hiding your identity. That's mean you are third party.
Listen.
And it is a month end right now. It is a month end right now. So you are having a target pressure. Your boss will be.
Listen. You paying or not paying will not make any difference to anybody.
If it does not make any difference to you, I am glad it does not make any difference to you. You should hang up the phone and run away.
I only came to you saying that your account is in a critical condition.
Whatever it would be, my account is in critical condition. I told you I am unable to pay any single EMI as of now. It will take more 1 or 2 months. I'll go for settlement. I'll approach to the bank. That's it. This is the end of the conversation.
Listen, the settlement amount, there is an offer going. That's the reason
I don't want to go with any offer
you.
because I don't have the funds available. I cannot give any wrong commitment. That's what I said.
Who is asking you to give a wrong commitment, sir? I'm only asking
if I don't have the funds, then how can I say yes? You are what? You are
that ends the
what? You don't have mind. Your brain is not breathing.
That ends the story, no. That ends the story, no. Why are you talking
the story, then you should disconnect the call.
No, why are you talking unwantedly?
If I don't have the funds, how can I say yes?
You're putting personal allegation, right? I will send a mail from my mail ID retrieving all your data.
Ghanta, you will send the email. Give me your email ID over the phone on this recorded line. Give me your email ID. If you have that much of guts to send the email, give me your email ID over this phone right now.
Listen.
Give me your email ID, Give me your email ID. You are scared. See, look at your face. You are scared to give your email ID to the customer. You know, if you give your email ID, you will get identified as a official employee. Give me your email ID.
Listen.
No, give me your email ID. I have no time to listen to you. You are a soul.
Once you get a mail, you revert no.
You are a son of. You are a soul.
Don't use language.
You are a son of. I understand. You are a son of.
No, you're a God-fearing person.
I have no problem. If I abuse you over this recorded line, I have no problem because I have asked you around 50 times to give me your email ID or your employee ID. If you are a DMI finance officer employee, you are unable to establish and give your email ID to the customer. I can abuse you. I can abuse you assuming that you are a scammer.
This call is recorded, Mr. Akbar. This call is
I
recorded.
can abuse you assuming that you are a scammer because you are unable to give me your email ID.
Listen, you have abused
If you are an
me
official person, then give me your
or
email ID.
whatever.
Give me your email
This is
ID.
not the language that you need to be talking.
No, you are a son.
Language you need to behave and okay, fine.
You are a son.
Same to you.
It's not going to say. It's not going to happen if you keep on saying same to you. Give me your email ID instead.
That is what I am saying. Just because you say something to me doesn't happen anything to me.
Then don't give the email ID. Why even you are dropping an email to my registered mail ID if you are unable to give me your email ID?
I will go as per the company's policy.
Arey, you are an asshole, yaar. You hang up this phone. You cannot do anything. You are unable to handle your month-end target pressure.
So be it. Sorry?
You are unable to handle your month-end target pressure.
My dear friend, first manage your funds first. Then tell me.
I don't have to.
To manage. No. Same applies to you.
We will not pay to this account for more 6 months. Do whatever you want to do. Put RTB disposition.
Really? Fine,
we will not pay any single penny for more 6 months. Now it is intention issue now.
No. Now that you have told all this, right? So
now it is intention issue. Do whatever you want to do.
Okay, fine. No issues. The call is recorded. Okay, whatever is spoken, everything is recorded.
Alright, you cannot do anything.
An issue. Fine. Carry on. Okay, fine. Be in the
open challenge.
Nothing will happen to you. Fine.
Open challenge.
Okay, open challenge to you as well. Same here.
You cannot do anything.
Fine, sir. Fine. Maintain the same.
Okay, you are done for the day. I will hang up this phone.
You can keep ranting, sir. Nothing will happen. I think you only know to rant with people. That's it. Nothing else you know. I think you're not.
You should leave the collection if you are unable to give your email ID. Then
I will not give you, my dear friend. I will not give you. You're talking. I mean, how old are you? You're talking to a 50-year-old. Okay. You're not talking to some.
How should I know you're 50-year-old or you're 60-year-old? How it is going to make any changes? I am a customer. I want to know if I'm speaking to a right party or not.
Doesn't mean that. No.
I am a customer. I should know if I'm speaking to right party or not.
No. Listen.
People like you working in collection. You misuse data. You misuse data of every customer. You are sitting in a collection agency. You misuse customers' data. You are calling references. You are calling contact calling. You are putting SMS bombers. You are abusing customers back to back. You are misusing customers' data, and you are telling me you are speaking with 50-year and 60-year. You asshole.
Just because you know to talk.
You asshole. You cannot do nothing. You cannot do nothing, and I'm giving you open challenge. Open challenge for next 6 months. If you have any guts, recover a single penny in this account for next 6 months. Now I will not pay intentionally for next 6 months.
Don't pay, sir. Don't pay.
For next 6 months, I will not pay a single penny. Do whatever you want.
Mr. Akbar, don't pay 1 rupee also.
Yes, I will not pay any single penny. Do whatever you want.
I will not do anything.
I know that. I already know that you cannot do anything. You are unable to survive in this collection industry, and because of the month end, your bosses has already you up. That's the reason you are so much of getting hyper on this call.
Who fucks me, who doesn't.
Your boss has already you. You are unable to meet your this month target.
To talk so much doesn't mean that it's just rant anything.
You are unable to meet your month target, and your bosses are already you up. That is what it happens.
Don't be bothered about my target. Who's bothered?
I am not bothering. If you are not bothered, then give your email ID.
Why are you referring?
I am getting bothered because I'm speaking to anonymous person. A person who is calling me for my DMI Finance loan account which is under default, and the person does not even know his email ID, employee ID or third party agency name. I'm speaking to an anonymous person and who is letting me know how should I speak, what should I do, how should I take care of old age person, blah blah blah, XYZ. Alright, none of your concern. You give your email ID. What relation you have what relation you have with you give your email ID. Why you are calling me today? What is the reason of the call? Give me your email ID. Establish that you are a right party. That is what I wanted, nothing else. You are unable to give your email ID. You are unable to identify customer. You are a right party or not. You are completely speaking anonymously to the customer. If you speak anonymously to the customer, customer will abuse you. Customer will abuse you. And they will assume that you are a scammer because you are unable to give your identity. You are unable to disclose your identity.
Fine. This is my personal number. You want to identify? Identify. This is my personal number.
But number does not belong to anything. DMI Finance has not sent me an email or message. DMI Finance has not given me this number. That by this number you will get a call. Who cares? If I escalate this number to DMI Finance, they will say, no, this number does not belong to us. You give your email ID. If you are working in DMI Finance, you give me your email ID. Every bank, every NBFC, they provide email ID to their employees, to their in-house employees. That shows that you are a right person or not.
Now that you spoken, I will not give you anything, my dear.
You are showed. That is the reason you will not give your email ID, because you are afraid about the escalation. You are afraid of the escalation. You are scared that if a person will go and escalate this call, and if I'll provide them the email ID on this call, and he will go and escalate, then I'll be having so much of issues with my job. That is the reason you are unable to give me your email ID.
Listen.
Maybe you are a third party. Maybe you are a third party. Who cares?
Whatever you're saying, go tell that to.
You are a third party. You are a third party. I'm telling you, you are a third party.
Keep repeating, sir.
No, you are a third party. That's what it is.
Right? To abuse people.
No, I don't care, and I'm telling you, put RTP, refuse to pay, dispose this call under RTP, refuse to pay, and I'm not going to pay any single penny for next 6 months, okay? Do whatever you want to do.